Do you want to know the 20% returns giving mutual fund for the last 20 years? And do you want to know the best mutual fund for long term? I'm just going to say about that right now. So stay tuned. So hi, hello, this is Ganesh Sinturu, your stock market profit coach and author of the book One Page Stock Market Plan and Money Leaks. And today I'm just going to help you to show 20% returns giving mutual fund for 20 long years. And this is one of the best mutual fund for long term, long time period. So let's look at that. I am talking about ICICI Prudential Technology Fund, which was launched in 3rd March 2000. It means 21 years, right? 21 years. This fund has been performing a lot. Let's look at some of the fund performance for since inception. Okay, so I just want to show you practically. This is ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund Equity Sectoral Technology, which means it's a sectoral fund. Any sectoral fund, if you're investing, it needs to be between a minimum of 7 to 10 years. That is when you can see huge good returns of time. When it was launched, market was at its peak. Specifically, technology burst didn't happen, but it happened immediately. The next 2 to 3 years, market was negative, but from 2003 to 7 the IT stock started performing like anything. So what I wanted to say is first 3 years this fund wouldn't have performed, but just look at the fund performance till right now, 22 years long, 21 years long. Just look at almost 3/3/2000, the launch date. You have the SIP start is exactly on the date we are starting, and the SIP end date is 23/7/21, July 23rd, where I am recording this video. Till that time, we have the returns, and the total cost of investment is per month 1,000 rupees. Installment amount 1,000 rupees per month till now. Almost 257 installments, more than 20 years, and 21 years and 3 months. I think 21 years and 3 months, and just look at 5 months. Just look at 2,57,000 has become 35,11,999. Have you expected this kind of returns in this much time period? That is the advantage of this ICCM Prudential Technology Fund, right? This is a regular fund. I'm showing a regular thing, and the return just look at 20.65%, right? This is the advantage of investing in this fund. Let's look at expense ratio and all the holdings in this fund till now. Okay, almost they had invested almost 25 other funds. Just look at right from Infosys, HCL, Tech Mahindra, TCS, Persistent System, IRCTC, as it is a technology company, diversified services, and eClerx, Mindtree, Wipro, Emphasis, Bharti Airtel Telecom Services related to technology, L&T Technology Services, all the known technology companies almost from the time of inception or in the last few years this is having, right? This is a portfolio almost 25 companies we have in related to even the recent Affle India is there, Root Mobile related to Nazara Technologies, something first company into the gaming software, right? And also all the huge Quest Corp related to technology services is available. Oracle, InfoEdge is the one who made so much money in this month because of Zomato's investment. 10 years before, whatever they invested gave almost like triple the times, not triple, even more than that. I forgot the terminology. That was that much. And they also invested in one foreign equity, which is Microsoft, almost 0.87% of the holding, right? So this is what they have done. 1 year holding 2%, they sold off something in the last few months. That is what it is showing. So this you can check it in moneycontrol.com. It's a sectoral fund. Let's look at one more thing, the expenses. uh, I'm just going to show you an expense ratio of this fund. Just give me a second. Okay, expense ratio is 2.6% as declared on 30th June 2021. Even after deducting the expenses, this fund has given around 20%, which is huge commendable thing. And if you're going for direct, maybe you may be getting 1% extra, right? So this is the advantage of investing in a technology fund that is specifically sectoral. And in the next few years, few decades, technology is going to improve, explode, I can say. And that is the idea behind investing in this one. So next 20 years is very crucial, and all the technology companies are driving the economy, driving the countries, and they are utilizing so much data and giving us so much valuable information. So right from Facebook, just see how much they are helping in connecting people. Amazon, Flipkart, everything. Not Flipkart is not listed. Let's look at Google, and everything is happening in US economy. And in India, the first time Zomato got listed, it's a technology services company. Maybe this fund will also invest in that. Let's look at the prospect of these companies going forward. So this is something interesting I saw after looking at the data. you also can consider about investing in this fund for long term returns, not for short term. Minimum 5 to 7 years, minimum 5 to 7 years minimum, and then only you can see some good returns. That is the timeline you should think before investing in this fund. Thank you so much for watching. Please share this video who is asking 20% returns for a long period of time to your friend, and right, thank you so much.